It's the talk of the town. Mother Nature's herbal cleansing tablets, the secret to a longer, healthier life.
How long you have arthritis?
About 5 years.
5 years.
Oh,
So how long you coming here now?
only 2 weeks, this will make me 2 weeks.
This is your third week. But how you feeling? How you feeling?
Very good.
And the pain, what about it?
Pain going. This foot is upset cramp, this right foot.
Well, yeah, because when you come in here, you can walk.
Remember you hold me and carry me inside?
I carry you inside, yes. So you're walking now?
Very good.
Stand up, let me
Now
see.
and then I have to rest a little bit, but it's going.
Yes.
Going. Plenty.
Yes. Are you feeling good?
Yeah.
I find it going good. The first 2 packets of tablets are about of it flush me out good and everything.
You had pain before?
Yeah, I used to get some pain and that ceased. Down in the rectum I was getting pain.
All that gone?
Yeah, but once I take the tablets it's coming back.
Well, yeah, because you get clean, remember you only 6 days.
Yeah.
You gotta go 6 weeks, man.
Well, that's why I come here today to get a supply.
Okay. And do it and follow the rules, right?
Of course.
And how young you is?
77.
You now start to live. 77, 97 doesn't kill nobody. Sickness killing us, remember that. Old age don't kill people at all.
I had a good run on life, I can't say nothing.
Right.
I never had operations, nothing.
Right, beautiful. So thanks again. So you start now, you're going for a second week now, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So when you come here, what did happen to your hand?
The hand, that's the arthritis. That's one high. Yeah.
You could be a witness to that now, see?
Yeah, the vein is in the vein now. It's in the vein.
So you couldn't see that before?
Nah.
And how much?
Last week Tuesday I came. Last week Tuesday.
And so how much weeks?
1 week.
1 week all that happened?
Yeah.
My God, so all that hand is swell up, eh?
Yeah, and pain all over the body. Oh God, I couldn't raise my arm.
When I went in the hospital, right, and they do the how we call it, the biopsy and whatnot, well, the result was taken long. My husband said he can't wait on that result, he wanted to see what's going on. Well, we went to the medical and we did biopsy there. And there the result come back and say it's lung cancer.
Oh.
But when they took it up in the hospital, it started swelling bigger and bigger. So the lump was so big. Right? The lump was so big that they said they was to do the surgery on the 24th, which was my birthday March. But when I went now that day, you see 2-3 doctors come in, surround me. They said they find the lump too big, they had to do more tests.
So the lump was in your breast?
Yes. So when they do the test again, my husband find 2 months back they can't get the result. My husband said, well, let me go Gulf Medical. We go to Gulf Medical. They do biopsy again. They take out pieces and they send it to test. Then when it come back out, then they say, well, it's cancerous.
Cancerous?
So we went back now to the hospital with the result and show them. Then they put the surgery for the 4th of May and they take out the whole thing.
And when you go back, what happened? You still had it?
Well, after that, they wait about, let me see, the surgery was in May. It's February last year. They sent me to do chemo.
Chemo? Wow.
Then after that, I done do the chemo about 3 months after. Going on 4 months, then they want me to go on the radiation. So my husband said he sent me to do radiation because we find that too dangerous. So he bring me and join me in this program.
So who tell you about Mother Nature?
No, well, I always hear about it. I always hear about it, but I used to live in town, Belmont.
Right.
And I always hear about
But
it.
so how you feel now when you done the treatment?
Well, what really happened to me, I got good result because when I reading whether Bible or what, I still feel like shortness of breath. And I had to stop. I had to stop. And then start again. No, that ain't happening to me. When I walk in, like again, shortness of breath, I can't walk fast. And that ain't happening again. Right? And, you know, I used to get a lot of headache and a lot of cold in the head and whatnot. And all that. I ain't getting that again. So, I find, well, my husband see, I get result. You understand? And, you know, I'm plenty more active than how I was before. More active, and I'm moving more fast than how before. Understand? Plenty more active and moving more fast, and the body loosen up. You understand?
So what did doctor say now about the cancer? What is
I
it?
never went back to no doctor.
You never went back? No.
I never went back. Understand? I never went back. But take the herbs for the 6 weeks. I only lost 45 pounds.
But well, you know, you're not a really big person.
No, I wasn't so big, but I lose so much. Understand? I lose so much weight.
No, you really see when you have the weight. You see, okay, the weight is the waist, right? In other words, then what we're saying on this side
And
here,
the belly go down plenty
well,
than how it was.
right? You see, the belly who had it, the belly gone, and the weight come out there.
Yes.
But your arm and your face, you're not really overweight to
But
say well.
I find the face get more younger than it was before.
It get more younger.
Yes.
So your husband said,
Well, you know, telling me I'm looking good.
yeah, you're looking
I'm
good,
telling
you're
his
looking
face,
good.
when I watch in the mirror, I say, my God.
Yeah.
I looking like if I'm a tortoise.
Well, okay, let me tell you something. No, stay away from animal completely. If you're eating animal, you won't get that. You're going to attract the
Eat
same.
the fish.
Forget that. They all encourage cancers.
Okay.
So you get well now, do not go back to them.
Okay.
At all.
All right.
Because they have to stay, all the animals we eat have to stay in the body over 6-7 days
Okay.
before it could come back
All
out.
right.
So and that is the breeding ground for all the cancers they could have. Anybody have cancers and eating meat
Yeah.
or cooked food will not able to get well. Because when the food goes into fire, it become acid, and the acid that feed these animals.
Yeah, because I used to suffer this stomach acid reflux, and I used to have a lot of pain. When the pain